Storm is expected to have some major travel impacts. IDOT is advising people to stay off the roads both during and after that storm. CBS 2's Marissa Perlman is in the loop. She's looking at what you need to do to get to your destination safely.
Well, this is it, your last decent travel day. And with the weather pattern now showing an earlier arrival of the storm, the Illinois Department of Transportation is urging everyone to head to their final destination ahead of the Christmas holiday as soon as possible. Now, the agency is also asking people to stay off of the roads during but also after the storm. They're expecting ice and low visibility to spell extra danger for drivers with 50-mile-per-hour winds expected. IDOT says they're already ready, which means about 300 salt trucks just in Chicago alone and 1,800 more spread out across the state. They're recommending you get ready too, adjusting your travel plans if you haven't already. That could mean your road trip out of state or even just within the city limits. IDOT says issues on the road could also continue after the storm moves through.
No matter what your plans are, please look at those and try to adjust as needed. Even if the snow is essentially cleaned and no more coming down, you still potentially could have that drifting and blowing snow.
Now, if you do have to head out on the roads, IDOT is also asking you to be prepared. Make sure you have a charger for your phone and that your tank is fully gassed up. Reporting in the loop, Marissa Perlman, CBS 2 News.